him now. Watch him. Knock them off.
I mean, step toward their heads and turn them.
Step toward your head and turn them. That's it.
That's a girl. Okay, that's two of them together.
Seven. Right there you go. That's that. Yeah.
There you go.
Going back in the wall.
Is it 8?
Yep. Now you got it. Now you got it. 9 is the white face one.
Nice.
Let him out. 1 or 0. Whoop, where you at?
She's letting him out.
0. And here Todd come by.
Is that who that is?
Yeah. Okay, bring on him. Here. Here, here, here. Okay, I'll get the 1 right here. Yeah. Watch him. Here. 2.
Oh, nice one. Set up for you nice.
Yeah.
Woo!
3. Here he is. Yeah.
That's a girl.
Stop it, stop it, stop it.
Woo! Nice try.
Try. Let it move through. Now get the 4, or was that the 4? Yeah, get the 5 and the 6. We got that.
Coming up on the front
It's
edge.
all right. If you push the 5, he'll go ahead of the 6. Now pick up the 6.
Nice.
Go right in there. Go right in there. Go right in there. You got it.
Boy!
Nice job.
That was good, doesn't it?
Think he's
nice.
starting to get the hang of it.
Yeah.
That was good.
I'll take these last 2 in.
Yeah.
Boy.
Nothing wrong with that.